In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to play music together with SharePlay and Apple Music on iPhone. Starting with iOS 18, you can start a SharePlay session and invite friends to listen and control the music with you, even if you don't have an Apple Music subscription. Let's get started. First, a few requirements. The host needs an Apple Music subscription. The host must be connected to a HomePod, Apple TV, CarPlay, or a Bluetooth speaker. Both the host and the guest iPhones must be updated to the latest iOS and have Bluetooth turned on. On the host iPhone, start playing music to the connected speaker. In the Now Playing screen, tap the SharePlay button. A QR code will appear. On the guest iPhone, open the camera app and scan the QR code. Tap the music link that appears, then tap Connect. The host will see a request and can tap Approve to allow the guest to join. Once connected, guests can open the mini player to see the Now Playing screen. From here, they can control playback or add songs to the queue. Guests can browse Apple Music freely even if they don't have a subscription. And tap Play Next or Add to Queue to add songs to the session. To return the queue, tap the mini player, then tap the playing button at the bottom right. If you'd like to leave, tap the SharePlay button and select Leave. The host can also tap End to close the SharePlay session for everyone, and that's it. That's how to play and control music together using SharePlay and Apple Music on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.